Attention! Want to make easy money from AI without showing your face, editing, or learning anything new? Then wait a moment and listen carefully for the next 2 minutes. Because what you're about to discover is the easiest way to launch your own AI-powered design business, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. Introducing OneAI Design Edition, the world's first all-in-one AI design app that turns simple words into dollar. Just type what you want. And watch as OneAI Design Edition instantly creates viral AI avatars that people pay $10, $50, even $100 for. Stunning deepfakes and face swaps you can sell or post for views. Dreamlike room makeovers you can flip as freelance projects. Virtual try-ons for clothing brands. Custom 3D QR codes that businesses pay big for. Background-free product photos for Etsy, Amazon, eBay sellers. Scroll-stopping AI art, images, posters, covers, logos, and more. No design experience needed. No expensive software, no time-wasting tutorials. Just enter a prompt, click, and collect the profits. Here's what you're getting inside OneAI Design Edition. Turn words into images. Real-time AI art with just a prompt. Sell unlimited avatars, headshots, and deepfakes. Remove backgrounds and objects in one click. Style rooms with AI interior wizard. Create viral memes and face swaps in seconds. Offer fashion try-ons and lookbooks to brands. Generate 3D QR codes that pop. Sell VR AR ready models without ever using Blender. And best of all, you get full commercial license included, which means you can sell everything you make, keep 100% of the profits, and launch a freelance design agency tonight. Still paying $39, $89, or even $149 a month for just one AI tool? That ends today. Because with OneAI Design Edition, you get all the tools you'll ever need in one dashboard for a low one-time payment. No subscriptions, no catch. Use it to start a design agency without any design skills. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Create viral content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Help local businesses improve their branding and online store. Sell AI headshots, QR codes, deepfakes, and room makeovers. Here's how it works. Step 1. Type your idea. Enter a prompt or upload an image. No design skills needed. Step 2. Pick a tool. Choose from 20+ AI tools. Avatars, deepfakes, interiors, and more. Step 3. Get instant results. Stunning, ready-to-sell designs delivered in seconds. Post, sell, or profit instantly. It's that easy. It's that fast. It's that profitable. But this is a limited-time launch. We're giving lifetime access only to a small batch of early users. Once that's filled, the price goes monthly forever. So if you want to own your AI design business without paying monthly, without learning tech, this is your only shot. Click below now to unlock OneAI Design Edition. Get instant access plus commercial rights before it's gone forever.